In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to call someone on TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch a TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the inbox page. Then open the conversation where you want to make your calls. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner of the screen. If the calling feature is available for both accounts, you will see a phone icon and a video camera icon. Tap the phone icon to start a voice call or tap the video camera icon to begin a video call. If it's your first time using the feature, TikTok may ask for permission to access your device microphone and camera. Tap allow to grant the necessary permissions so your call can connect properly. Keep in mind that TikTok voice and video calls are only available when both you and the other person are mutual followers, your accounts meet TikTok's eligibility requirements, and the calling feature is available in your region. If you don't see the phone or video call option, make sure both accounts follow each other, update TikTok to its latest version, and check that a feature has been rolled out to your account. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.